This is the Viva Simulator. It helps students prepare for their project examination by conducting a realistic, AI driven Viva session based entirely on their actual project. You simply upload the project summary, and the system automatically analyzes it and creates a structured question plan. The AI listens to the responses and asks questions, just like a real examiner.
Hello, Nancy. Welcome to this project evaluation session. Let's get started. Are you ready to proceed?
Yes, I am.
Could you please provide an overview of your project and the motivation behind choosing this topic on business communication?
This project focuses on understanding business communication. What its meaning is, the purpose, the functions, the channels, and as well as the obstacles or barriers to communication. I chose this particular project topic because it is fundamental to the functioning and the success of any organization, irrespective of its size or industry.
Thank you for that overview, Nancy. Can you elaborate on the specific objectives you aim to achieve with this project on business communication?
Well, the specific objectives of my project are to talk about what communication truly is. Like it's a mutual exchange of understanding and not just, sending or sharing message. The other objective is to examine the importance of such communication in business operations. Also to kind of understand and analyze different dimensions of communication.
Your objectives provide a solid foundation. Now, can you discuss the key literature or background that informed your project? What existing knowledge did you draw upon to shape your understanding of business communication?
My project on business communication has well established theories, some definitions, and frameworks that explain how communication functions within organizations. I've got some classical definitions of communication from Keats Davis, Peter Little, Newman, and Summer. It also talks about this background literature that highlights that communication is important, more central to all sorts of managerial functions like planning, organizing, staffing, directing, and controlling. It also talks about internal and external communication frameworks.
It's evident that you've utilized established theories and definitions in your project. Can you now explain the methodology you employed in your project? How did you structure your research, and what design choices did you make?
I followed a document based research methodology. I used a business communication text as my primary source. I began by reading and categorizing the content into key themes such as meaning, importance, communication flows, channels, barriers, skills, etc. Then I analyzed, summarized, and interpreted these sections to understand how they relate to real organizational contexts. The project is structured thematically, moving from basic concepts to applied understanding. My design choice was to use a conceptual, theory focused approach, relying on established literature to ensure clarity and depth.
Thank you for clarifying your methodology. Now, could you please describe the implementation details? Specifically, how did you ensure that the information was presented clearly and effectively in your project?
At the end of the session, a detailed evaluation report is generated. This AI powered Viva experience is designed to help students walk into their real exam with confidence.